For me, cars and driving is where, it's my temple. It's where I go there and pray. Glad I'm part of the community, and I'm glad that I'm one of the guys that able to help the community slowly pulling together and make a better place to be. And that's it. That's what being Purist is all about. Because of this car, it brought together a lot of my friends, new and the old. STEK provided us with the material. Aerowerkz did a lot of work to make this car look pretty, and every time I drive it, this car makes me feel special. Hi, my name is Sean Lee, founder of Purist Group, and this is my 2023 Nissan Z. So the whole car was wrapped STEK's DYNOmatte PPF protection film. And yet you see the carbon part of the car. A lot of people thought that's real carbon, but they're not. They actually wrapped in a dyno-carbon PPF protection film from STEK. And STEK's quality is absolutely unparalleled in this sector. And Aerowerkz has done such an amazing job actually putting this package together onto my car. And thanks Philip for doing this, and thanks everybody at Aerowerkz for doing this for my car. Thank you. So driving for me is very important. It reconditions my mind, it helps me calm down. It's my moment in time. It's me and the machine and friends. Again, friendship that comes along are extremely important as well too. But it's the person who's sitting behind it gives it its life. It makes it shine. It makes other people following that car or that person have emotional attachment to them. So cars, communities, and as a car guy, is one of my most important things in my life that fulfill my life in a ways I can't even explain with words.